One of our wonderful client at Kaminskiy Care and Repair called me to replace a bad smoke detector. This was how I replaced it. All you'd need is a screwdriver, ladder, or step stool, and your new smoke detector. Before starting the replacement process, turn off the power to the smoke detector at the circuit breaker or fuse box to ensure safety. Step 1. Remove the old smoke detector. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the old smoke detector to the ceiling. Most smoke detectors have either twist-off or slide-off covers. Carefully lower the old smoke detector from the ceiling. Step 2. Prepare the new smoke detector. If the new smoke detector requires batteries, insert them into the battery compartment according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 3. Mount the new smoke detector. Position the new smoke detector over the electrical box in the ceiling, aligning it with the screw holes. Use a screwdriver to secure the smoke detector to the ceiling by tightening the screws. Step 4. Test the new smoke detector. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker or fuse box. Press the test button on the smoke detector to ensure it is functioning properly. You should hear a loud alarm sound indicating that the smoke detector is operational. If everything looks good, your replacement is complete. See you on the next DIY.